guys, it's Gracie, and this is gonna be mine and Morgan's channel, and also if you see my cousin Haley. So yeah, let's go get started. And also like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. We're doing cloud slime ASMR. And guys, this is really stretchy. Do the 2-finger thing. See, like, it's really sandy. Probably because it's kinetic sand.
So the thing I'm using here is the kinetic sand box holder thing. And I'm putting it in this.
Can I show them?
This is our dog. Yeah.
Well, her dog, yeah. I don't have a dog. I'm cutting that out of the video.